Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He who has been blessed with property by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, but does not pay the poor due on it, his property will be transformed into a bald snake having two black spots over its eyes. On the day of resurrection, it will be put round his neck, so that the snake seizing his jaws will say, 'I am your property, I am your treasure.'" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited this verse, "And let not those who are niggardly with respect to what Allah has given them out of His bounty think that it is good for them. On the contrary, it is bad for them. Soon that for which they were niggardly shall be their necklace on the day of resurrection. And only Allah is the higher owner of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is aware of your doings." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4565.